Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi.
sir.
So I shared one file on the group. Means actually two files. They are column from example and conditional column. For understanding this topic, we are going to use these two Excel files. Sham, share your screen.
Yeah.
Open a new Power BI file. Okay, your screen is not visible. You can stop sharing.
Maybe my internet is slow.
Pallavi, share your screen.
Did you say to me, Arun?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
So click on get data. Have you downloaded the file which I shared?
Yes.
Okay. Name is column from example.
I have downloaded it, but why it's not showing here?
It's in downloads.
Yeah. I have downloaded directly in my file. Here it is. Power BI column condition. I don't know why it's not showing.
Okay, just a second. Let
Okay.
me check what I've shared. Okay, by mistakenly I've shared the Power BI
Power
file.
BI file. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me share the Excel file.
Okay.
Yes, I've shared it. Please check.
Which file I need to take, Arun? Column from example.
From example.
Okay. After this?
So select one by one. all of them. Yes, transform data. Click on this column from example 1, CFE example 1. Okay, so let us see what to be done here. So just click on this first column and remove others. Remove other column. You have to click on remove other column. Yes. Now see, we have seen here text function, date function, and number functions. Let us suppose we are not aware of them, or let us suppose we don't want to use them. Then what to do? So we can have column from example. Click on add column. So on the left corner, you can see column from examples. So right now you are selected as there is only one column for you. So you can
Yes.
say from all columns or from selection, doesn't mean because there is only one column, right?
Yeah.
So right now you can click on from selection because you have selected this first column. Now this is our date. If you write there column 1, you can type there 2023. Type, double click on there value. The empty column is there, right? Column 1 heading is column 1. Click there 2023. So see, all the values are filled with 2023. It is just checking that in your original column what are the values. So from that you want 2023. So this
Okay.
is understanding that you are trying to extract the year. At the top you can see that M language or M query is automatically being written there, that from this column you are trying to extract year. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is what you are giving the example to Power BI, that I want this. You're not telling directly that I want year from this date. You're telling that I want 2023. Like if you type there, remove that 2023. Remove. Type there JAN, Jan. Select that. Tab. Enter. So it is understanding that your month is January. Getting it?
Okay.
Now if you type there 01, enter 0203 till 13. So it is understanding all those things, that whatever you want, what do you want
Right.
from that particular column. That is the thing. You will give one example and it will try to extract that value which is present in already the column. So that's why the option or the uh, tool name is itself a column from example. So you will give one
Okay.
example instead of giving directly what you want, or instead of using any function there, you will be just giving one example and that thing will be there in the output. Now if you are not sure, like in this date, sometimes you'll be confusing what is that 01, is it a day or is it a month. So when you are not sure that, like uh, that 0102 till 13th row, you can understand that 13 will never be a month, right? So in that case you will come to
Yes.
know that okay, this is a day column, day value, first one, not a month.
Hmm.
But may be confusing, so what we can do, we can double click, remove that 01. That
Yes.
you can just type there WWK, week. So you are seeing all the options that followed. No, don't double click. When you type there, remove it. Now these are all possible examples. When you type there, these are the things related to the week. When you type day, it will show things related to day in the drop down. The recommendation downside are coming, right? Type day there. Instead of week, type day. Now it is showing related to day. If you type year, it will show things related to year. If you type month, it will show things related to month. Getting it? So
Yeah.
now click on Sunday. The downside in the recommendation, Sunday is there. Click on Sunday. Enter. Now it is showing that this days, Sunday 01 January 2023 was Sunday. Accordingly, the coming days, all those things are given there. So using the function, doing this is also possible. But when you are not sure, or when you want to go by your own given example way, you can use this column from example. So this was column from example on the date, first one. So say okay, click on okay. So similarly, do the same once again. Select this, do for month, do for year. You can type January. No, after clicking month, you don't have to type there, because it is just a thing that what are the options in the drop down related to month. The meaning of typing month is like, show me the options related to month. Like, see, these are all the drop down present. These are all recommendations showing you that these are all the possible things you can get after month. Okay, so see, in that
Yeah.
recommendation, every line month name is written there, means month is written. So you are, it is something
Yeah.
like you're searching for month. Okay, so instead of using the functions directly, you are giving one example. Like now you can
Okay.
click on January downside. You can see January is there. You have not selected that full name.
Okay.
Select January. Now enter. So whole January is here.
Whole month
So
is January.
now go for the second example. Column from example 2. Now here we are seeing that 3 different columns are there. Let us suppose I want to combine these 3 columns and make some different order ID or something like that. So other order ID might contain 2 characters from character, 2 characters from category, 2 characters from subcategory, and the number from the product ID. Yes, for example, FUBO 12520. This would be my order ID, let us suppose. So how can I generate this kind of column? If I want to go with some formula or something like that, it will take a lot of time. I have to write a M language or M query. But if I want to do it in the easier way, I can give it column from example. Click on, select all these 3 columns. Go to the column from example from selection, or you can say all 3 all columns. You can also do that. Now type FU, capital FU hyphen BO. No, that is underscore, not hyphen. BO hyphen 12520. Now see, this is your first example you are given. Now chances are there that it will understand it and it will give you all possible correct values. Now if some wrong values are there, you can just correct it. Just enter OK. Now see, second one is also FUBO, but the number sequence is changed. Number sequence it has understood, but FUBO everywhere it is giving. Now click on the second row. Double click. Now make it correct. FUCH. Make it no. CH and 12520. So this is correct. Enter. Now see, all are corrected now.
Yeah.
So column from example might require your 1 or 2 example or 3 examples, and then it will be 100% correct. Fine.
Yeah.
So say OK. Click on OK. So in this way you have generated your own different column. You can make it, give it name as let us suppose order ID or something like that. So this is like merging columns. Okay. Now go for third example. Okay. This was also. You can try the same thing which was done in the column from example 1 in this. You have dates. Go for the column. Put day. See, day of 8 is there. Click on that 8. So 8, 12, 11, all these are what? Your days. Click on OK. Now do for month.
Okay.
I hope all of you are doing simultaneously. Month.
The name.
You can take a number also and name also. First take 11, then go for November.
Okay.
Is that done?
Yeah.
Now we can go for year. Two 2018, last one. Okay. Go for the fourth example. Now see here. First row is your column header. So right click and make first row as column header. Click on the column 1. Right click. No, not like that. That that left corner near that ABC, there is small box, right? Use first row as header. So Pawan 10 Mumbai 711. This is my data. Now I want to separate this 4 values. I want to separate Pawan, want to separate 10, want to separate Mumbai, want to separate 711. Okay. So I will say go to column from example. Type Pawan. Now Pawan, see, you are typing in small. Only the spelling is important. You can type one capital, one small. That is not a problem for that. Sorry for
Okay.
the background noise. So go for Pawan, make it enter. So see, this all values you are getting.
Hmm.
If you want it in small letters, you can give all small. If you want capital, you can give all capital.
Okay.
Try doing it.
Can I add this?
Yes, you can add.
Can I continue?
Yes.
Okay.
You have separated two different columns. Now go for Mumbai. Don't click OK. Remove the last. See, yes. One way is to remove that way, or you can just click on undo in the applied steps.
Yeah, yeah,
That
yeah.
that is another way. Okay. Select that column. We only wanted that number, right? 711.
Hmm.
We don't want that 367 East 25.
Hmm.
Do it once again. Now click on 367 and edit it. Make it only 367. Remove that East 25. Remove that space also. You have to remove the space also properly. Yes. Enter. Just try to do it once again. Give that 711 properly, and from where the error was there, correct it.
Maybe we need to keep the space. No, it's not coming.
Others also check it. Now
Yeah,
it's
now
come.
it's good.
So it is just that thing. You have to try 1 or 2 times. It will be
Hmm.
there. So this is what column from example helps us. Otherwise, we would have to write a very big query for this. You can see upside what all things are getting generated there. The M language is getting generated at the back end. Whatever you are trying to do, whatever examples you are giving, accordingly at the back end, things are going. The query is getting written automatically just by your button clicks. Okay, so click on OK. Now we'll go for conditional column. So are you all clear about with this column from example?
Yes.
Okay. Now click on that home, new source. Okay, fine. You have applied and closed. So that is fine. Now again you have to click on get data.
Yeah, I will.
Otherwise, when you know that more files need to be added, you can click on new source. That also you knew it, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know it.
Fine. No need to open a new file. You just have to add the file here itself.
From get data.
Huh.
Okay. Can I click on transform data?
Yes, click on it. So CF here, CF stand for conditional column. So CF example 1, click on that. CF example 1. So what this example is trying to say, before going for that, click on first customers and profit column and remove other columns. Okay, and now using these two columns, we will queue the condition and generate a third column. For example, this profit is in crores, and we will say that if my profit is above 400, I'll say high profit. If it is between 200 to 400, I'll say medium profit. If it is lower than that 200, I'll say low profit. So these are my three conditions. Have you all got the condition? Say yes or no.
Yes.
What about others?
Yes.
Okay. So selecting these two columns, I will go to add column. Here we don't have to select the column. Just unselect or just click on this. Now see add column, just under the name of add column you can see conditional column option is there. Click on that. So we got some options here. So first of all, my condition is I'm not checking what is the customer or who is the customer. I'm just checking the profit on the basis of profit. I'm giving that either my profit is high or medium or low. So what column I'm checking is profit
Front.
column. So column name, click there on the drop down. So my column name is profit. I'm telling my operator, what I'm telling, if profit is greater than now see, just close this, cancel this. Now my profit name, you can see that ABC123 profit header ABC123, you can see there, right? So it is telling that my column contains both alphanumeric values as well as means alphabets as well as numbers. So I want to make it only numbers so that all different operators will be visible. So what I'll do, click on that ABC123.
Yes. Whole number.
Clicked. Yeah, make it whole number. Select both the columns. No, cancel it. Select both the columns. Go to home and click on that keep rows. Keep rows option is there. Keep rows. Yeah, keep top rows. Make them 10. Okay. So now my data is perfect. There is no error. Okay. While it was showing some error earlier, right? Just remove the last applied step. Just now what step you applied, remove that.
Keep first rows. Huh?
Yeah, remove that. See, you can see that profit columns, just below that there is some red line it is showing. Yes or no? So that is what it is telling, that you have some problem. Go to the view section. Uh, column distribution, column quality, select on that. Column quality. So see, it is showing error 1%. Yes or no? So this red line stand for error and all that things. So unselect this now, column quality and column distribution. Now apply the same thing, keep top 10 rows. We are understanding what things are happening here, what things need to be checked first, going for the things. Now my data is ready to apply. Now you can select any one column, both the columns. If you select the column from example, option will not be applicable. Just check, select two columns, you will not be able to
Apply the
click on
condition.
conditional column. Yes or no?
Yes.
So there is no compulsion to select any column before going to the conditional column. Go to the conditional column. Here you have to select column name, profit. Now you can see more operators are there. Yes, because it is confirmed that it is numerical column. Now numerical column will have more operators. Now what is my requirement here? Greater than or equal to 400, or you can see greater than 400, just greater than 400. Value, type value 400, type high profit. Okay, now click on add clause. Now make it uh, greater than 200. Medium profit. Now in the else part, don't add clause, remove that. In the else part, write low profit. Downside else part is there, downside under the add clause. Else you can directly type your condition low profit. Say okay. So see, you are getting all the values. For 200 and 100 you are getting low profit. Now greater than 200 you are getting medium profit. Greater than 400 you are getting high profit. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is your conditional column. You are giving condition for your existing columns and generating a new column. So now go to the second example. Now before observing this, keep top 10 rows.
For all, right?
No need to select all. You can just go for keep top
Directly.
10 rows. It will keep top 10 rows. So now you can see prefix, gender, suffix. Just hover your cursor there on that columns. Prefix, gender. No, not that gender. Just next to that. Yeah, prefix, gender, marital status. So prefix and gender. If gender is male, no matter he is married or single, his prefix will be Mr. But it is not the same for
Female.
female. If gender is female, we have to check married or single. If single, we have to put Miss. If married, we have to put Mrs. Okay. So these are my three conditions. So go to the now this is my data. First we have understood what to do. Now just keep this beginning three columns and remove all other columns. Name, gender, marital status. Keep these three. Remove other. Okay.
This one also I need to remove. No, this one. Need to remove.
इसको क्या करो, लास्ट में आपने क्या किया है, एक बार अंडू करो, क्या किया आपने इसको. हाँ, आप फर्स्ट थ्री को सेलेक्ट कीजिए खाली. रिमूव ऑल अदर कॉलम्स. हाँ, हाँ, बस. You have to keep this much. Now these are three selected. Now you have to apply condition on this. How will you apply condition? Think everybody. Go to conditional column and think. अभी तीनों भी सिलेक्टेड है, हमको क्या है, सबको सेलेक्ट नहीं रखना है, किसी एक को पे क्लिक कीजिए तो अनसेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. अभी आपका कंडीशनल कॉलम बटन ऑन हो गया है. Now here, how will you give condition that male should give prefix, male should get a prefix as Mr. and female according to their marital status they should get.
If marriage status is single.
So first condition what you will give? First condition will look out for gender. Okay. First,
Like it's male or female.
if value is M, capital M, so output is MR, Mr. Now second condition we will look out for marital status. Add clause, marital status. Here we'll look out for married, marital status M. Now we'll put MRS. Now else. Now else part will put
Female.
Miss, MISS, capital M. See the condition what you have done, because we are first checking gender. If gender is male, no matter what he is married or single, we are putting MR. Yes or no? But for female, we are looking out for marital status married M. Then we are putting MRS. Now when these two conditions are fulfilled, now who are remaining? Female single are remaining. So for them what we are giving in else part? Miss. Yes or no?
Yes.
Click on OK. Check whether all things are correct. Miss is coming for female single. MRS coming for female married. Mr. is coming for female. No, sorry. Mr. is coming for male married and single both. So we are done. We are correct. Give the heading as prefix. So got the point where how we can use our conditional column?
Yes.
Now go for third example. Third example, keep top 10, remove all other columns. Select first two column, remove all other columns. Now you can see these two columns. that LNT, LNT9, these two values are not similar. HSBC, HDBC, these are not two same columns. Yahoo and Yahoo spelling have one extra O. Getting it?
Yes.
So what I want, wherever the same spelling is there, I will say correct. And wherever wrong spelling is there, I will say, or we can say wherever same spelling is there, I will say same. Wherever different spelling is there, I will say different. Go for it, try it. Click on that value ABC drop down. Value ABC. Under that value ABC is there. Yeah. Select column. Click on select column. Output, if they are both are equal, same. Else different. One more thing, one more way you can do. Go for it again. Select the column 1. Operator equal column 2. Now click on that ABC of output. Select column. Column 1 you can give. So otherwise 0. Say okay. Now what you can see, what are all same values? They are coming in the output. What are different values?
They are 0.
They are 0. Getting it?
Yes.
Fine. So go for fourth example. Here we will have to do like, let us suppose we are considering the fifth row, that 11/6/2020. Before this I want all the values as old dates, or before. For 11 I want current date, and after 11 I can say latest date. Before 11 I'll say older, after 11 I'll say
Latest.
latest, and on 11 I'll say current. So I'll use the conditional column. So here I'll be using the date symbol is there next to it, not there, next to that. Yes, date. So what is that? 11/6/2020 means, go to the, select that date, take your that year to 2020. 6 means, no, select 11. So don't say equal, say smaller to that. You
Plus.
can say before, is before. So you can say old dates, older dates. Add plus, do it is after. You can copy that above value and paste it. Copy the 11/6/2020 from above, paste it downside. Say latest dates. Else part current date. Date. Say okay. Getting it?
Yes.
So we have seen it with number also, we have seen it with date also, and we have seen it with text also, with these 4 examples, how to apply the conditions. Clear everybody?
Yes.
So that was our today's topic, column from example and conditional column. So further topic we'll see tomorrow. Thank you all. Is there anybody who is having some doubt? Can ask. Other all can leave. See you tomorrow.